Alright, let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever uploaded a KDP book, picked what you thought were great keywords, hit publish, and then watched it disappear into page 20? No sales, no ranking, no visibility. If that's ever happened to you, this video is for you. Because what worked for KDP keywords in 2021, 2022, even 2024, will not work in 2026. And most publishers don't know that yet. Welcome to Silent Publisher. This channel is for people who want results, not noise. Today, I'm going to show you the new KDP keyword strategy for 2026, how Amazon actually ranks books now, and how to rank faster even as a new publisher, with low reviews and without guessing. Stay with me till the end, because the final part of this video is where most people's rankings are silently destroyed. And once you see it, you'll never make that mistake again. Now, before we go deep, do this one thing. If you want more real KDP strategies that still work, hit subscribe. This channel is built for silent publishers who want leverage, not hype. Let's begin. Most people think keywords are about search volume. They open a tool. They look for big numbers. They think, if people search this a lot, I'll rank. That mindset is outdated. In 2026, Amazon does not rank books based on keywords alone. Amazon ranks books based on signals. Let me explain. Amazon's goal is simple. Show the book that is most likely to be bought, not the one with the best keyword. So when someone types a search, Amazon immediately starts watching behavior. Who clicks? Who scrolls? Who buys? Who refunds? Who reads? Your keyword is just the door. What happens after the click is what decides your ranking. This is the biggest shift. So if you're still stuffing keywords, repeating phrases, or chasing high volume, you're fighting the algorithm instead of working with it. Now here's the new mindset for 2026. Keywords are no longer traffic tools. They are audience filters. Your job is not to attract everyone. Your job is to attract the right buyer. Let me ask you something. Would you rather 1,000 people click and not buy, or 50 people click and buy immediately? Amazon prefers the second, and that's how you rank faster. Now let's break down the new methods step by step. Step 1. Stop thinking in keywords. Start thinking in buyers. Most publishers ask, what keyword should I use? Silent publishers ask, who exactly is typing this? In 2026, the most powerful keywords are problem-aware searches. Not broad terms like journal planner, fitness book, self-help. Those are dead zones. Instead, you want specific emotional intent. For example, not weight loss journal, but weight loss journal for women over 40. Not business planner, but daily planner for overwhelmed entrepreneurs. Not anxiety journal, but anxiety journal for overthinkers at night. These people are not browsing. They are looking for relief. Amazon can feel that through behavior. Here's an exercise. Pause for a second and think. Who is your book for? Not the topic. The person. Age, problem, emotion, situation. That's your real keyword. Step 2. Keyword clustering. This is huge in 2026. In the past, people tried to rank one keyword. That's no longer how Amazon works. Amazon now ranks themes. So instead of targeting one phrase, you build a keyword cluster. Here's how it works. You choose one main buyer intent phrase, 3 to 6 supporting phrases that describe the same buyer problem differently. For example, if your book is for anxious overthinkers, main keyword, anxiety journal for overthinkers. Supporting cluster, night anxiety journal, journaling for racing thoughts, mental health journal for adults, calming journal for stress relief. Notice something? Different words, same person. Amazon connects these automatically if your listing is aligned. That's how you rank for multiple searches without stuffing. Step 3. Front-end versus back-end keywords. Most people waste this. Let's clear confusion. Front-end keywords equals what readers see. Back-end keywords equals what Amazon reads. In 2026, back-end keywords are not for repeating your title. Repeating keywords is ignored. Your back-end is for coverage, not duplication. Here's the rule. Every back-end slot should introduce new buyer intent. Think, different wording, different emotional angle, different situation, but same audience. If your title says Fitness Planner for Beginners, your backend might say Home Workout Tracking Journal, Gym Routine Logbook, Beginner Strength Training Planner. Same buyer, different doorways. This expands reach without confusing the algorithm. Step 4. The low competition launch strategy ranks faster. This is where most people fail. They launch straight into competitive keywords. That's like entering a race against Olympians on day one. Instead, you want momentum keywords. Low competition, clear buyer intent, easier wins. For the first 30 days, your goal is not domination. It's data. Amazon needs to learn. Who buys this? Who clicks fast? Who converts? Once Amazon trusts your book, it naturally pushes you higher. Silent publishers let the algorithm warm up. Desperate publishers force it. One wins, one disappears. Step 5. Conversion is the hidden keyword. Here's the part most people completely miss. Amazon doesn't rank keywords. Amazon ranks buyer behavior. Your keyword only opens the door. What happens after the click decides everything. Your cover, title, and description are not design choices. They are ranking signals. If your keyword promises one thing, but your cover suggests something else, and your description talks to a different person entirely, Amazon sees friction. And friction is deadly. Because hesitation means slower clicks, shorter page time, fewer conversions. And fewer conversions tell Amazon one thing. This book isn't the best match. That's when your ranking quietly stalls or drops. Everything must tell one clear story. Same buyer, same problem, same emotional trigger, same outcome. When someone lands on your book page and instantly thinks, this is exactly what I was searching for, they don't scroll, they don't hesitate, they don't compare, they click buy. And when that happens consistently, Amazon takes notice. That's how a book with 5 reviews outranks a book with 200. Because relevance beats reputation. Now let's get practical. Because strategy without tools is just guessing. The truth is, the best KDP keyword tools depend on one thing: your budget. Whether you're just starting out or scaling like a serious publisher, the goal is the same. Find high-intent keywords with real buyer demand and low competition. And for that, you only need to track 3 core metrics: search volume, competition, BSR, bestseller rank. Nothing else matters if these 3 don't make sense. Paid tools for serious growth. If you're serious about ranking faster and building long-term assets, these are the heavy hitters. BookBeam. BookBeam is one of the most beginner-friendly yet powerful tools right now. It shines in niche discovery, profitability analysis, and clean, easy-to-read data. What makes it special is that it shows sales data and BSR trends directly on Amazon. So you're not guessing, you're validating in real time. If you want clarity without overwhelm, BookBeam is a strong choice. Publisher Rocket. This is a classic for a reason. Publisher Rocket lets you analyze keyword search volume, measure competition, and uncover profitable niches most people overlook. It's especially powerful for back-end keyword research and category analysis. Think of Publisher Rocket as your keyword microscope. If you like data and precision, this tool pays for itself quickly. Helium 10. Helium 10 is more advanced but incredibly powerful. 2 tools matter most: Magnet for keyword expansion, Cerebro for reverse engineering competitors. You can literally see what top-ranking books are already ranking for, then decide whether to compete or pivot. This is how advanced publishers stop guessing and start copying what already works. Free and freemium tools for beginners. Now, if you're just starting or working with a tight budget, don't worry. You can still rank. Here are the tools that punch way above their weight. Seller Sprite. Seller Sprite offers free keyword mining tools like Keyword Magnet, bulk keyword mining. You get access to monthly and daily search data, DSR, demand to supply ratio, SPR, Seller Sprite product rank. These metrics help you spot low competition opportunities before they get crowded. Perfect for beginners who want data without paying up front. Kip Scout by Dibley Crate. This is a free Chrome extension, and it's powerful. Right inside Amazon search pages, it shows BSR, estimated revenue, price, review count. This is ideal for niche validation. If the numbers don't make sense here, don't publish. Simple. Titans Pro/Amazon Suggestion Expander. This tool pulls Amazon's own search suggestions. And that's important because Amazon suggestions come directly from real buyer searches. You get long-tail keywords, volume estimates, competitor data, downloadable keyword lists. This is one of the fastest ways to find keywords buyers are already typing. Final tool. Truth tools don't rank books, decisions do. The tool only helps you see where demand exists, where competition is weak, and where Amazon is already rewarding relevance. Use one paid tool if you can. Combine it with one free tool. That's enough to outrank 90% of publishers who are still guessing. The silent killer of rankings. Listen carefully. This is the mistake destroying rankings in 2026. Keyword mismatch. You target one audience in your back-end keywords, another audience on your cover, another audience in your description. You think you're being broad. Amazon thinks you're confused. And a confused algorithm never pushes a product. No boost, no momentum, no visibility. In 2026, clarity beats cleverness every single time. Not more keywords, not longer descriptions, not fancy wording. Clear promise, clear delivery, clear result. That's the chain Amazon rewards. Final reality check. Ranking fast on KDP in 2026 is not about hacks or tricks. It's about understanding buyer psychology, matching intent perfectly, triggering the right behavioral signals, and having patience with a smart strategy. When you master this, you stop chasing rankings. You start building assets. Books that rank quietly. Books that convert consistently. Books that compound over time. No noise, no guessing, no luck required. That's not just how you rank faster. That's the silent publisher way. If this video opened your eyes, if it saved you from wasting time on outdated KDP keyword tactics, and if you want more real strategies that actually work in 2026, subscribe to Silent Publisher. This channel is for people who want clarity, leverage, and results, not noise. I'll see you in the next video.